Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see a full description of this particular truck and along with 40 to 50 pictures, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a Ram 2500 heavy duty with the Hemi 6.4 liter motor in it. Really nice truck. It's a long bed, it's a regular cab, it's four-wheel drive, it's got all the bells and whistles that you're going to need to get the job done out there on the road. Starting on the front, you're going to notice the aggressive chrome grille that we have on the front here. As you have already noticed, I'd imagine, it is a bright white exterior color on this. Really nice LT 275/70. That's on an 18-inch rim. Long bed, regular cab, which is extremely hard truck to find, it seems like, out on the market. There's not as many of these as there is the crew cab trucks, especially in that 2500 segment. It does have your tow package on the rear, along with a 4-pin and 7-pin wiring hookup on the back there. This truck also is equipped with a factory backup camera that's located right there in the handle for your rear tailgate. It does not have a spray-in bed liner, but that's definitely something that can be added. This vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty coverage on this. It also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain, so you never have to really worry about any of the maintenance as far as warranty issues, because they are taken care of from the manufacturer. On the inside of this vehicle, it does have power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Upgraded floor mats. That is a rubber floor mat, as you can see, with the Ram logo built into it. Automatic overhead headlighting. It does have a cloth seat. Seating for up to 3 in this particular cab. So if you flip up this center console, that's going to give you your third seat right in between your driver and passenger. But obviously, when you're not having a third person, you're going to want to leave that down, because you're going to have your cup holders built in here, along with a nice little storage unit right there with a USB plug built in there. This vehicle does have a rubber floor lining underneath these floor mats, so the entire floor of this is rubber. Definitely makes it easy to clean out all the mud or whatever it may be on your floor. These top 2 buttons here for hands-free. So this vehicle is equipped with capability to program your phone directly into this truck. That way, when you're driving down the road, you simply hit the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. These 4 buttons right here are going to operate your instrument cluster, located right here in the center of your dash. Also, you have your cruise control on the right, and then also, as you can see here, it is a push button start. So simply push the button to stop and start this vehicle. Turn knob when it comes to putting the vehicle in park, neutral, or drive. Your 4-wheel drive system's obviously located right here on the floor. And as you can see, this is a touchscreen radio. It has AM, FM, Sirius XM radio on this particular radio, with the free subscription when purchasing it brand new. You also have a compass that's built in here, and you can also download the media directly into this radio as well. Underneath the radio, you have all your climate control buttons, which are these 3 knobs here in the center. And underneath that, we have all your trailer tow accessories that you're going to need. Your brake controller is located right here. All 6 of your auxiliaries are located here on the bottom. Tow haul button. So everything's centrally located when it comes to that. You do have a small storage area behind the passenger and driver's seat that runs along the whole width of the cab. So if you're looking for a really nice 2500 truck, brand new with an awesome warranty, with definitely some nice standard features, this may be the truck for you. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see more than 40 still pictures of this with a full description of everything that's on this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.